This is the second day of the Hppk or Hari Penjajah Peniaga at Donggongon, and I'm now making a survey of how the patrons or customers or visitors are like among the stalls. So the time is just 9:30. So let me go around the stalls and see how many people really looks like they are buying things from the stalls, or just the stall operator themselves buying from the next, supporting each other on your product. Okay, this area seems to be all mostly handicrafts. It's like Chinatown, they are all handicrafts. Yeah. And I am making a documentary for all these girls. Yes. Yeah. Banyak customer kah?
Banyak juga.
Banyak sudah? Okay, very good. Mostly handicraft. That's a Lansat there. Handicrafts in this red zone. Okay, let's go. Local handicrafts. Yeah, if I got money, I'll buy one of those. There's a bubu there. That's called a bubu. Yes. And here's the pohintong. And this is the what is this one? Is it the Rosma punya bag? Rosma punya Birkin bags here. Good for you. Good. Okay. Handicrafts. Oh, more bags, more Birkin bags here. Is it Birkin bag? Si Rosma punya Birkin bags ya ni. Okay, panggil si Rosma. Oh, there is a tourist hat. Nice. Apa lagi? Oh, a lot of jewelries for the ladies. Okay. Ada juga baju tradisi sana. Good. Apa lagi ya? Come on, let's go and see. Handicraft zone. And at the end of the handicraft zone is the health department punya. This is a health check van. Health check. She's checking what? The heights and the weight and the what? Okay. Macam sudah pas dia punya body weight kah? Ngam dia punya body weight? Okay. Checking the body weight. Oh, saya tidak mau check tu. Memang saya overweight. No need. And you got trampoline. Okay. He's going to do a trampoline. Come on. Oh, yes. Very good. He's got very good balance. Yeah, very young and tidak main jatuh. Yeah. It's a balance test. Cuba lagi kau bos. Ya. Oh, boleh tahan juga, masih muda. Kalau saya pernah jatuh. Okay, very good.
Untuk kasih kekuatan.
Very good. Okay, this is the health check. You can go and get all your blood and weight and everything checked. Yes, health status. Go on. It's FOC. This is operated both by the local health office of Donggongon and they say the state health office combined. Okay, here is the second day. This zone is supposed to be the food truck, but they tell me either they're later coming or they given up, because yesterday the patrons was not that much. Rugi datang, I think. Okay, these zones are the existing stall that always been here all the time. Okay, yeah, those are the existing Donggongon stalls, but for this event they closed the street for the food trucks and they are missing. So they are missing at 10 o'clock in the morning here. Okay, here guys is the plan for the Hari Penjajah and Peniaga Kecil peringkat Pinampang. Okay, and this is the plan for the Donggongon and where the Peniaga. Like these zones, they are mostly food. This is the food zone. makanan punya section, makanan. In the morning at 10 o'clock, these are the amount of visitors that you can see. Very low turnout of visitors. But let's look at the plant. First, we zoom at the key, what the plant key means. And I like to draw your attention here. Here, there is one VIP drop off, which means that's where you set down your VIP. And down below are the visitors, the common people like me lah. Okay, the VIP location is here. Actually, it's next to Chingfa and Dragon. But then you look for the symbol, that sharp symbol, okay? And you go over this map, and I can tell you, you can't find it. So they really haven't decided where, or they didn't know where to put the drop-off zone for the poor people who goes by bus or grabs or what. Where is it? Come on, Mike, show me. Where is the drop zone for the visitors? Tiada loh. So how do you expect visitors to come, Mike? Aduh. This is the second day, and this mobile stall, 10 units of them, not one is being used, or maybe no trader is interested to rent any one of them during the 3 days event. So it's all lying there doing nothing. So this section of the event is a total failure. And of course this side, also the store, I don't know what section is it, also the food section. This is the furthest away from the main, this is the furthest away from the Buhavan Square, and this really has the least customer. Susah lah ini. So I don't even know whether they can break even in this area. Aduh. These are the new stall or existing stall. So these are the new one for special for this event. And they have this is the list. You are on TV.
Okay.
Including our artist.
Okay.
And is that your dog? Okay. Wow, that's your dog, is it? Okay. So, Cikgu, I ask, nanti saya interview. How is the reception here? How is the customer since yesterday? Berapa orang saja datang? You think they can break even? The stalls are not free, isn't it? Nah. So, what do you think is the source of the failure? Kan bulan tua ini hari?
Ya, betul.
But doesn't matter about bulan tua lah, we all eat. How about the public transport? Where do you park? On the top of the roof? Itulah tidak mau dengar suggestion. Kami yang strong supporter pun tidak mau dengar. Okay, good on you. So, this is the second day of the mini traders carnival. And this zone, the other end of this town here, next to the Bomba, are very little visitors, very few customers. So I've talked to these stalls here, and they are doubtful if they can even break even with all their efforts for 3 days. And the reason being is, somewhere here they should have put a drop-off zone for those maybe going by public transport or van or minibus, but there is no minibus, probably there is some Grab, but so how do you encourage the people surrounding Pinampang to come? You never thought about them. You never thought of encouraging them to come to town on this 3 days carnival. And of course, only those with personal vehicle have already filled up the parking space. So there is no drop-off zone for ordinary people. And so this region here practically has no customers. This is the second day. Tomorrow will be Saturday. I expect it will be worse. So there goes your planning, because your planning is poor because you never listen to our suggestion. One. And if you have any criticism, the people you employ to reply to our criticism are those minions who have no education. You only employ office boy to give us reply, which is useless. Okay.